wrap on my car is literally pointless, and I'm going to tell you why. If you're new here, welcome to the Xtalgic YouTube channel. We do some pretty dumb, crazy, epic stuff here.
Or CPO, so you can trash it if you want.
Oh God. I'm an idiot. If you're unaware, I am in my 2009 Corvette Z06. It's wrapped by a design from my favorite wrap designer ever on the internet. His name is Joyride Designs. I actually won this wrap, and I didn't want to deviate too far from the design just because I'm an artist myself, and I didn't want to really change the styling or whatever. I contemplated, you know, changing the X's to my flamingo color scheme in my brand, but I kept it like this. I love it, but it's literally pointless, and I'm going to tell you why. This thing gets so much attention everywhere. People stop in traffic. They get up to you, try to take pictures. People see it all over the road, but it's just a Corvette with a bunch of X's on it. So if they ever want to like search it, or the wrap do its purpose by giving me some exposure, it's not, there's no branding on the car whatsoever. They see it once and they'll never see it again because they don't know who it belongs to. Literally, as I said that, the construction worker's taking a picture. That is why this wrap is literally pointless. And I played around with a lot of designs on Photoshop, trying to interject my logo onto the side, onto the fender and stuff like that. It just, my logo just does not fit on the wrap itself on this car. It's been really annoying that I can't get any branding on this car to do its purpose because it's just a wrapped Corvette. It doesn't serve anything because nobody can find it on the internet. So I actually recently had the idea from a buddy to do a windshield banner. So I played around with the ideas and I came up with this, which you will see soon. It's the best thing I got. My brand has to be on this car because when I go to shows and stuff, people take pictures, they share it. There's literally no branding. So it's literally pointless to have this car wrapped without any branding. So that's where we're headed to go. We're gonna go see my buddy Rob, who actually applied this wrap on the car. He's like a guru here in Chicago. So we're gonna get the windshield banner on. Hopefully he's got a pretty crazy Corvette himself. It's a super wide like Kevlar body kit on his C7 Grandsport. He tracks and everything, so hopefully he lets us film it. But right now we're gonna go get this windshield banner installed so I'm not anxious about having the car wrapped for no reason, and we'll see you there. Also, it's like very chilly today in Illinois, so I've got my new Team X shirt on. It's very comfy, very warm, and I've also got the, if you don't know, C6 is the higher trim levels come with heated seats, so it's been very nice. This car is awesome. If you want a Team X shirt, these are super limited. I'm not having these on for a long time. If you go and buy anything on Xtalgic.com, you are actually entered. For every $1 that you spend, you get 3 entries to potentially win a Sonic toolbox worth $6,400, full of tools. It's badass. Go to Xtalgic.com, get your entries, get your limited merch. This is like our #1 seller since we started doing these merch plugs and stuff. This is like literally flying off the shelves, and I think that's because it's a limited tee and it's got some meaning behind it if you've been following me closely. But go pick up your Team X shirt. There's a bunch of other stuff there. You can enter for as little as $5. It's a great chance to win a crazy toolbox, a crazy giveaway, and good luck, and off to Rob's.
Dancing
The banner looks absolutely incredible. I did, however, in typical nostalgic fashion with anything vinyl, I f***ed up the order and I measured the windshield for what it was. I didn't account for any stretch or curvature in the glass. I didn't account for any extra. When you order a windshield banner, always go extra, at least like 2 inches on each side. But anyway, in typical fashion, I brought Rob a really messed up vinyl project and he managed to bring it through and it looks incredible. He stretched it quite a bit, but the dude's an animal. If he can handle these 2 projects that I've given him and come through, he can literally do anything with vinyl. So if you need anything vinyl related in Illinois and you're local here, give him a DM on Instagram. I'll leave his Instagram down below. Believe me, if he can wrap my car in like 110-degree weather and stretch the crap out of a windshield banner, he can literally do anything. So hit that man up. All right, finally we have branding on the car. Here's something more exciting. Rob actually is going to a track day right now, and he invited me over to watch him race his Widebody C7, and also we're gonna get a ride along. I'm really, really excited. So without any more bullshit, we'll see you on the track.
Thank you. Goodbye.
I always push these stupid buttons with my helmet every time I get. Next year there will be a racing seat over there.
What a ride. Holy shit, Rob C7 is radical in like every single way. It's wide as hell and it's fucking loud. Like I filmed a lot of cars in my life and I never had to turn down this mic to like its most minimum setting and the mic was still peaking. It's very loud. So before I go, big shout out to Rob for hooking me up with this windshield banner install and also give me a ride in this crazy car. There is plans to do a full video on his car in the future, so stay tuned for then. Also, before I go, Rob actually hooked me up with some track time today in my C6, but we'll save that for the next vlog. Yeah.